Okay, fractions question here, but we're sort of putting the fractions question into context. You've got a tennis club, and at that tennis club, 3/10 of the members are men. And of those 3/10 of the club which are men, 5/6 of those are right-handed. And the question asks you to work out the fraction of the members of the tennis club who are right-handed men. In other words, what we need to do is we need to find 5/6 of the 3/10. Now, what you've got to realise here is that most of the time in maths, or always, the word of can be replaced with multiplication. So we're just doing 5/6 times 3/10. Now, to multiply two fractions together, you can cancel. I'll do it without cancelling first, and then I'll do it with cancelling. So without cancelling, 5 times 3 comes out as 15. 6 times 10 is 60. And if we simplify 15/60ths, we get a quarter. If we wanted to cancel, which I think you should, 5/6 multiplied by 3/10. The 3 and the 6 cancel, so it's got to be a number at the top and a number at the bottom. These can both be divided by 3. How many 3's in 3? 1. How many 3's in 6? 2. The 5 and the 10 can both be divided by 5. How many 5's in 5? Well, that's 1. How many 5's in 10? Well, that's 2. And now all you need to do is 1 times 1, which is 1, and 2 times 2, which is 4, giving you the same answer, a quarter. Okay, next bit requires us to think a bit harder. You've got a badminton club, and at that badminton club, 7/12 of the members are women, and 3/8 of the members wear glasses. Now, quite a clever little question here. You've got to realise that to find 7/12 of something, and the answer must be a whole number because you can't have a fraction of people, it means that we have to have the number of people in the badminton club must be a multiple of 12. So, for example, 12 or 24 or 36, something like that. And if we're told that 3/8 of the members of the badminton club wear glasses, then the number of people in the club must also be a multiple of 8. So in other words, there might be 8 people in the club, or 16, or 3/8, which is 24, or 4/8, which is 32. Question though says, what is the smallest possible number of members in the badminton club? Well, it's basically, you're looking for a number which is a multiple of both 12 and 8, and the smallest possible multiple, and we usually call that the lowest common multiple. So you're actually just finding the lowest common multiple of 12 and 8, and the answer there is 24. Obviously, there could be more members of the badminton club. There could be 48, 12 and 8 both go into that, but the smallest number is 24.